my brother's name Dadyan Singh, and also be sure to like, share, subscribe our channel, and also hit the notification bell for notifications from our channel, which is Ayanch and Dadyan TV. Adu pick the blue color. Blue color. Yes, Adu pick blue color. Then click orange, green color, green color, green color. Yes, then orange color, blue color, green color, and then the last color. Yay! Adu picked all the colors. Nice, Nadu. In this drawing competition or challenge, whatever you can call it, we're going to be using no paint. Then you might be wondering what we're going to use. We are going to use crayons.
Yeah.
These are little crayon pens with crayons tip over here, so we can color with them. Okay, Adu? So with these crayon pens, we are going to make beautiful Indian national flags and also adding some scenery. Obviously, Adu doesn't know how to make a proper Indian national flag, so we have given him the authority to do some ups and downs over here, so he can do a little bit of, his creativity. Okay, Adu? Okay? But I have to make a really good Indian national flag, so I can show it to you guys and also hang it on this wall. Okay? It will be hanged over here. Okay, guys? Let's get started. Let's get started.
Yeah.
Let's go! So guys, before we begin with the competition, I would like to explain to you guys and my brother over here what the Indian national flag colors are. Basically, the first two colors of the Indian national flag are green and saffron right here. Okay? Adu also has a green color. And then the third color is white, and our papers are already white, so we don't have to use a white crayon. Then to make the Ashoka Chakra, we are going to be using this blue crayon. Yeah, so that's all the colors that we need to make the main flag. And we also have some extra colors here to decorate the other side of, like, outside the flag, so we can make some scenery, some designs, and a lot of other stuff. Adu, are you ready to get creative?
Yeah.
Let's start the challenge, alright?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Go.
On the count of 1, 2, 3, start! So guys, while I was coloring, I decided why not give you guys some information on the Republic Day of India. So, why is 26th January a special day in India? Let's learn about it. 26th January is when the Constitution of India was first implemented. The Constitution of a country is a set of rules and regulations that each and every one in the country has to follow. Each and every one. So, 26th January 1950 is when the Constitution was first implemented. That means from that day onwards, everyone had to follow the rules and regulations written in the Constitution. So how do Indians celebrate this day? In India, this day is a national holiday, and people celebrate it with festivities and lots of other cool things like eating sweets and having lots of fun. The special thing that happens on this day is the parade, which happens from Rashtrapati Bhavan on the Rajpath. In this parade, the three armed forces, the army, the navy and the air force, show off their power by parading with their arsenal like tanks, trucks and missiles. So they have a little parade where they show off their power to the whole world. After the army parade, they also have a parade for all the states in India. So like there will be a little stall for all of the states in India, and they will showcase their culture and how the state is. All its important things, important features and so on. So this day in India basically is a really special day for Indians and almost everyone who lives in India. It is celebrated with lots of happiness and lots of fun. Let's go to the Middle East and see how UAE, where we live, celebrates 15 August and 26 January. Here in UAE, you must all know that there is a really tall skyscraper called Burj Khalifa. On that skyscraper, the Indian flag is displayed on these special dates. And they have lots of shows around all of UAE and all of Dubai also. Hey guys, my Indian national flag is almost complete. Adus is almost complete. As you guys probably know, we have given him authority to go a little creative, and I think he has gone too much. But it's alright. It's a child, so it works. Okay, Adu? Okay? Anyways, my Indian national flag is almost complete, and we're going to be coloring this green color in. Okay? So now we'll color this green color and make some strokes for the Indian national flag Ashoka Chakra. And you know what, guys? I also really miss India, and I want to go to it almost all the time. Like, having a break from all this modernness is really a relief to the mind, Nadu. We love all the street food we can get there. We love visiting our family relatives like grandfather, grandmother, everyone like that. We like going to the village, having tons of fun, just running around, playing with our friends. It's so much fun going to the farms. It's just so nice. Eating the street food all the time, not having to eat very healthy food all the time. And also, guys, I would like to share to you one place in Dubai which really takes you to India right from where you are. A place called Global Village in Dubai is a really big place where they have pavilions of all the different countries in the world. So basically, if you enter that country's, a specific country's pavilion, you basically enter that country. When you enter the pavilion, you find lots of stuff from that country. Like, suppose if you go to India, you will find lots of saris, lots of clothes, and lots of sweets, lots of street food. It's just so nice. You feel like you have come into a very crowded Indian market. I really like going there, and my brother also, na? And when we visit that place, it is so nice. We almost go on a world tour in literally just one day. That's how nice that place is. So guys, now we have almost finished our painting competition. Now we decided to end the video, and we will put the clips and pictures of our beautiful Indian national flags in the end of this video. So be sure to watch the video till the end, okay? Watch till the end. And until the next video, guys, be sure to like, share, subscribe to our channel. Also, hit that notification bell. Then please be sure to leave a like. It's absolutely free. Like and subscribe. Okay? And until then, we'll meet you in the next video, guys. And until then,